everyone, this is RangerRob and welcome to the RangerRob Country Living channel. Today is our Sunday and another sparkling day in Central Oregon. Seems like that's all it does is sparkle every day. It sparkles at night, it sparkles in the afternoon. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. That's all it seems to do here in Central Oregon. Don't you ever get tired of just being a sparkling day here? Gosh. So anyway, guys, I got some very rambunctious puppies. Hi, guys. Come on. They've been cooped up this morning, so they're ready to play. We need to feed the fish today. We got to go check all the systems. And Sherry is making salsa and jalapeno salsa. So let's go check on her real quick and see how that's coming. All right, guys. Sherry is diligently working on jalapenos. You've only squirted your eyes a few times.
Just once.
So we need one of those cheap slicer and dicers. There's a little box where you put the little vegetable in there and slam it down and it turns into diced things. So anyway, so this salsa is gonna make how much?
6 half-pint jars.
6 half-pint jars. We had just enough jalapenos. We had tons of tomatoes. So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, we need to go check our systems in the back of the property. See if I got water and everything. So I'm sure it's gonna. In fact, how many pots you got out here?
I haven't put them away.
Okay. You never have too many pots when you're canning. All right, let's go check out what's going on in the back. So yesterday's video, I made a beef ribs and did a slow cook for about almost 7 hours, and it was delicious. The drawback was it was not enough. So I have not made beef ribs like that before, and they were over the top. But it really turned out to be 3 ribs. I thought it was 4. And it's a little deceiving. There's not as much meat on them and stuff. So we will have to try that again. Well, I just checked on this first tank here. It's almost empty. This one here don't have as many plants on it, so it's doing pretty good. So we definitely got to add water to that one, or nutrients. And I turned on the water for the corn, and let's see what's going on in the greenhouse. Well, I got nutrients in this tank, filling it up. It holds about 35 gallons. I did the tank out in the NFT, and I came outside again, and damn it, it's still another sparkling day here in Central Oregon. Will it ever stop? Alright guys, we checked in on Sherry, see how the salsa's coming along. And it's looking really good. Oh, by the way,
What's that?
Did you know it's a sparkling day in Central Oregon today?
It always is a sparkling day.
Can you believe it? Every day's been a sparkling day in Central Oregon.
Just watch Bob Shaw.
Yeah, Bob Shaw knows. And now you're just doing some seasoning.
Yep. Then I cook it down.
And we cook it down and we have salsa. Then we're gonna can it. It's actually been, you've been doing all the work today. I've just been outside enjoying the sparkling day in Central Oregon. All right, we're checking on the salsa again. Sherry's cooking it down, and we seasoned it and trying to thicken it up a little bit. And eventually we'll be jarring it up, and hopefully we'll be enjoying some salsa real soon. How long do you have to let the salsa sit before you're supposed to eat it?
3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks? That's insane. Well, our great little puppy's got some bones today. And it's a lot cooler today. And kind of like that. I wanted to talk to you guys about our NFT system. So this morning, I didn't film it because it's not that fun, but my NFT was leaking again. The one here with the trellis. And what happens is the roots get so big in these things, and all my poor little plants not very happy with me. And when you pull, I have to pull out the roots and take out a section of it, like, and otherwise it floods and I can't run the NFT in it. So next year we're going to change this. We're going to change this from NFT to Dutch bucket system. This is our lesson learned. Beans, the peppers, all of them, the roots are just too much for NFT. And reason being, but it's a great system for short crops like salads and stuff like that. Their roots don't get too big, and usually you're pulling the plants before I gotta turn off the water for the corn. I'm flooding the place. So I think what I'll do is next spring take all these frames out, drop everything to the ground, put Dutch buckets all along this, still use the same tank, and still do the beans and everything, but in Dutch buckets. That way I don't have the problems with the roots. So this has been a great lesson learned on what to do with NFTs. If I had my own way, which I'm hoping I do, NFTs are, I don't have an NFT in a greenhouse. And if I did, the amazing things I could do with lettuce year round. But this has been a great system for some other plants. So, and I can load this up really good in this early spring and fall because of the cooler temperatures. But during the hot temperatures, this system gets pretty warm. So, but this one here can't handle the roots for the beans. Even if I went the 4-inch pipe, I don't think would help. It just prolonged the problem a little more. Dropping those down to the ground, putting Dutch buckets all along that, I think is the smart thing to do. So, yeah, so we'll kind of contemplate how we're going to do that for next spring. And by the way, on the corn, we're still kind of waiting for some of the silks to show, but we did get one to poke up. We do got one right here. And so that's a good sign. So I'm sure it will take a few weeks before we start seeing more. But how exciting, we finally got our first silk. So corn's looking good. Got lots of water this morning. And yeah. Look at all that. And the second half is starting to get all their tassels on the top too. So yeah, so far so good. Well guys, it truly was a sparkling day in Central Oregon. Looks like, let's see if I got any eggs today. Come on through here real quick. Check on the eggs. Yep, looks like we got some eggs. So we'll be gathering those. We'll be getting some tomatoes today. And Sherry's gonna finish up her salsa. We may do some other canning today. But yeah, it's been a really nice day. So guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with us. And hopefully you too can enjoy a sparkling day in Central Oregon. So guys, please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world, including Central Oregon. So guys, take care now. Bye now.
Our videos are made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available at Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.